Hi, I'm Little Red Riding Hood. Nice to meet you. One time, I went to visit my grandmother's house, like I always do. But this time, I put myself in grave danger. I didn't know how bad it was to talk to strangers, especially the big, bad wolf. Let me show you what happens next. Open the book and meet me on the following pages, and I'll be waiting for you. There you are. Let's play. Oh no! What happened here? Why is everything black and white? I'm too scared to go through the forest alone. Can you help me find my way? Paint the page so I can continue my journey to grandmother's house. Green! Great choice. Blue! Good job. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Hooray! You did it! I better go. Grandma must be waiting for me. Lost my basket. Can you help me find it? Tap it with your finger when you see it. Well done. And can you show me where the picture frame is? Try again. Wonderful. That's a photo of my grandmother and grandfather when they were young. Now show me where the lamp is. You're doing great. Now find the ball. Good job! You're so helpful. Now turn the page to continue our adventure. See you later.
Who's there? Who's there?
Grandmother, it's me, Little Red Riding Hood.
Come in.
Grandmother, what big eyes you have.
All the better to see you with, my dear.
Grandmother, what big ears you have.
All the better to hear you with, my dear.
Grandmother, what big teeth you have!
All the better to eat you with, my dear. Hey, come here.
And now it's time for some fun. Come play along with us.